Imagine a computer so powerful it could solve problems in seconds that would take today's fastest supercomputers millions of years. Sounds like sci-fi, right? That's quantum computing, and it's not just theory, it's already being tested by Google, IBM, and Microsoft. Traditional computers try every path one by one. Quantum computers, on the other hand, can evaluate many paths in parallel. This opens the door to powerful applications, like breaking cryptography, discovering new drugs, optimizing traffic and supply chains, and even training better AI models. Quantum computing is still experimental. Qubits are unstable, and they require supercold temperatures to function. Yes, quantum supremacy is real. But practical, everyday use is still years away. Quantum computing is still experimental. Qubits are unstable, and they require supercold temperatures to function. Yes, quantum supremacy is real. But practical, everyday